up, investors? Ken here from Dyslexic Investor, and we're going to be looking at GameStop. Yes, GameStop, somehow they're still not closed off, and no one has kicked them out yet. But I was reading through the Wallstreetbets site, and I honestly can't hold my composure here on how the GameStop bankruptcy has been canceled. All right, everyone, put down your phones. Everyone, pay attention. We got a story here from Jadesmoke. He said he did some incredible due diligence, which is DD. I was at a GameStop browsing through all the t-shirts and all the other garbage, wondering how they plan to avoid going bankrupt. Then I saw a woman bust through the door and proclaim that her son had to have the Super Mario mushroom stuffy. The kid working there took the woman to where it was, and she said, "Is that the one that's $100?" She grabbed the 20-inch stuffy and bought it. People, this is how we will save GameStop from going bankrupt. And then, of course, you just go through the comments of like, excellent DD, YOLO, December 20th, 75 calls. The stock's like at $5, just an FYI. And then this other guy, 96 slutty Pop-Tarts. The woman also have double D's. Oh, the due diligence. Oh my gosh. 10 out of 10 he got from Fallout Thong. Oh my god. And his other people says that idiot guy, the GMO, GameStop will reach 90 before AMD does. This is great. Alright, so let's go ahead and look at GameStop. So the guy said he's behind 75 calls. I don't know if they can even do that. Let's go check that out. Let's trade. She said the 20. Yep, no. December 20s. Let's do all of them. There's no way you could do that. There's no way. They didn't even go out that far. Like, you can barely get the 10s here. Let's see if we can go out a little further. There's nothing. That's terrible. Anyways, let's look at the chart. On the weekly, this is on the daily, sorry. On the 200, it's so far below it. It's just been terribly below it. It has broken out, but just failed from there. Continue to go lower and having another abysmal quarter here, gapping down, potentially going lower to meet its all-time low at 315 again. And this is just terrible, guys. On the weekly chart, it looks terrible. Checking money flow, for some reason people are buying this, don't know why. RSI is pointing down, momentum is pointing down. The switch of momentum has switched due to the earnings and potentially going down. So would be like, technically speaking, from the truth, looking at puts, just selling some calls in this. So if you would just sell some calls in this, you can't get anything out of these things. These are completely worthless, and there's probably any volume on any of these calls. So this is going to be a hard stock to kind of trade around. But that being said, this is going to be difficult because, again, if you short something, it has to stop at 0. So if it rises up a little bit, I would be shorting it anywhere where the 200 is on the daily chart, because it seems like if you go back to any time period, it just has prompts, just time after time, of just trying to break through this. On the weekly chart, on multiple different scanners, we have terrible downtrend here, pointing to more pushing down pressure. So this is, if I had to flip a coin and give a percentage, I'm like 75% sure that it's going to be going down to $3 more than it would be going to $7, if that makes sense. Just this unrelentless pressure of, like, it's sad, but the time has changed in the sense of how people consume video games. So that being said, this would probably want to add this to the short side, and I should be posting this, which I'm kind of set up a system or something where people can see on what I'm trading or what I'm investing in going forth. That would be kind of interesting if people would like to see that. Let me know down in the comments down below. Again, thank you so much. Thank you, gentlemen and ladies at Wallstreetbets. You guys make my life so much better. Again, guys, Ken from the Dyslexic Investor. Catch you guys on the flip side. Peace.